Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Ford Focus. So this car comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, you get front and rear parking sensors, and there's a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car there's half leather interior with heated front seats. The touchscreen features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. But on top of this you get park assist, dual zone air conditioning, cruise control, and the car is only £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This is a two-owner vehicle. It's got the 1 litre petrol engine that gives you 123 brake horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 27,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.